kayo kasama? Pinaka-red?
Hindi, sabi ko nga,
And now, let's welcome the branch agent of the DXN Southeast Zone, starting with Evelyn Dimano, Isabelita Mamawag, and Miss Lenny Makatanggay.